Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video and show you how to turn your cap locks on if you want to make everything cap. Here you go how you do. I'm gonna just turn it to the side so you can get a better view of it. Say for instance I want to just cap everything. If I'm typing, we'll just type DDD. Say if I want to make all those caps, only thing you need to do is hit this arrow up button right here. It's the cap locks. I know my fingers are big, so you hit it twice, 1, 2, and you see that arrow has a line under it. Now it's in all caps. So if I type DDDDDD, it's done. So if you want to turn the cap locks off, only thing you do, just hit that once, it turns it off. So to turn it back on, you got to hit it twice, just like this. You see that was too slow? You got to double click fast. See that? I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it back on. And that's it. So I'm gonna type CCC. Alright, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.